Hi everyone, it is Monday, October 5th, and we are starting now week 5, and I just wanted to briefly show everybody what work there is this week in the 098 class. So the instructions for the week, of course, are still here. You can see that in the 101 class, and there'll be a video there as well. Two reading assignments, Chapter 8 from Outliers and Chapter 5 from They Say, I Say. So we're clearly jumping around a little bit in Outliers. There is a quiz in the 98 class on fragments. There's a discussion post about Chapter 8 from Outliers. And then this writing exercise. So last week in the 101 class, you did the peer review. Some of you maybe got feedback from me if you weren't able to get a peer review. So this week, you're just going to summarize that feedback that you received and you'll post it. So just clicking through here, we do have the quiz. It's due Sunday. It's on sentence fragments. The writing exercise, again, where you just kind of summarize briefly, no more than 5 sentences, what the feedback was you got from your peers on this 3 possible areas for improvement. Or again, it might have come from me. The graded discussion, so based on the notes, and hopefully you're using the Cornell method that we talked about earlier in the course. So you're reading Chapter 8 of Outliers, you're taking notes, so you're just sharing one important idea or response that you had to the reading. And then please make sure that you respond to two classmates each week to get the full points for the discussions. Okay. And something new, this came from an idea from there should be an image there, from a student in the class. Since we're online, it can feel a little isolating. And so this is just a way that maybe there's an opportunity for students to interact. It's not for points. It's not for grades. I won't look at this at all. So it's just a open space essentially for students to connect with each other. So it's this chat room, as I'm calling it. There is actually also now a live chat function. So I'm the only person online right now, but if others were online, you would see, there would be names here, multiple names here. You can signal to have sort of new alerts come through when there are messages there. I think you can use emojis and stuff. So it's a chat, and that's available too. So you could, if you see other people are online, or if you see I'm online, you can reach out. And then another way to get in touch with each other, and I think most folks know this, so here's everyone in our class here, including myself. If you click on a classmate, I'll just go ahead and click on me, since I'm in a student view. Okay, so, here's me. You could send a message, right? And you can do that with each other. It just is a message that goes into the Canvas, inbox. So trying to, as we hit week 5 here, people might be getting a little tired. I know I'm getting a little tired, just as far as like looking at computer screens all day. I got these glasses to help with blue light. I don't know if they really work. But, I want to encourage everyone, stay involved, stay engaged, connect with each other, connect with me. This week, I had to submit attendance reports. I believe everyone in this class is doing just fine on attendance. I don't think anyone has unsatisfactory attendance. So, and I also submitted something called a starfish report. So you might be getting an email that says either keep up the good work, you're doing great, or if there were missing assignments or other issues or concerns, you would be notified of those as well. And you should be getting that for all of your classes, not just English classes. Okay, so that's about it. Reach out if you have questions. You see what we're doing in the 098 class this week. You see some new ways to possibly connect with each other. And when you hop over to the 101 class, you'll see another video from me there. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.